Hi, I am Coach Lisa Chavez, and today I'm going to teach you a little something about some pulling drills that you can do right in your home. I am going to use this stairwell, so I want you to try to find something that is safe for you to grab a hold of and duck underneath. So I'm going to show you a few different variations. We have 3 of them. The first drill is going to have you use your legs as much as required and use your arms just as much as you can. So it's a combination drill. You might have your hands about eye level, even if they're lower than that. Anywhere is going to be fine. You will start by just squatting down deep, and then use your legs as much as you need, but pull yourself right up with your shoulder blades down from your ears. Lengthen your neck, and then very slowly, with control, use your arms and use your legs as little as possible to slowly lower yourself down. So that's a great starting exercise. If you feel you can do more than that, here is level 2. You will jump yourself up off of the ground, feet suspended, and then slowly lower yourself back down to the ground until your arms are fully extended overhead. Here we go. And there you have it. Now we are at level 3, full chin up, pull up. Body weight entirely weighted onto the hands. Let's see if you can do it. Maybe up to 3 reps. If you've got more, go for it. Keep in mind, try to end every repetition in a dead hang, a passive hang, meaning your shoulders have elevated up to your ears and you've released all the tension. And then actively pull your shoulder blades down, keep them pulled down for the entire chin up, pull up, and keep pulling those shoulder blades down as you extend the arms over the head. Finally, let the shoulder blades come to the ears. I'm going to show you from behind. Great! I hope you enjoyed this little video, a little tutorial on how you can pull and strengthen your back in your home. If you did like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.